Okay, so how do we talk about National Water Safety Month? We talk about National Water Safety Month by saying there are kits and tools and resources about the PHTA. If you don't know what that means, that's the Pool Hot Tub Association, that USA Swimming, our national governing body, the other organizations, the National Drowning Prevention Alliance. There are other organizations and other people talking about this, and this is so doggone important. Okay, so pool safety, National Water Safety Month. Boy, we have compiled our resources and we put them out there, and there are places you can find free learn to swim events. There are organizations that are so committed to ensuring that you and your family are safe in swimming pools. And boy, I get emotional about this, and I can keep talking about it for hours and days. We got to cut this short. Okay, so